Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am here for my Walmart weekend haul for you guys, and it's late. It's like 1:30. I didn't get out so super late. I know the store's gonna be super loud and super crowded, but we're gonna see how it works out. All right, so for this weekend, I need 18 offers for $5. Let me just tell y'all now, it's not gonna happen. It's not. All right, Ibotta. So if you want us to hit these bonuses, Ibotta, either lower the bonus requirements or make the deals deal. All right, so deals ain't dealing. All right, and so I highly doubt that I'm going to hit that. We have a stackable bonus as well. I think it's called the Trailblazer Tailgate, something of another. I need 48 rebates, and honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to hit that either, because if I'm not hitting the bonuses, the smaller ones, I highly doubt I'm going to hit the larger one, obviously. And so in the comments, what did you guys get? For starters, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button. Support your girl. Like, it takes like a fraction of a millisecond to like the video. So just do your girl a favor and hit that like button. Easiest, freest way you could support your girl, right? And then of course, make sure that your post notifications are all on as well, so you never ever miss out on a video. One thing I want to mention really quick, because I keep getting this question over and over. I'm actually a little tired of answering the same question over and over, to be honest with you guys. And I really am thankful for those of you who do respond to comments in my comment section. I think it's so freaking awesome. So thank you for that. But it has to do with submitting to Shopmium. All right, if I am submitting to Shopmium, it has to be first. All right, I submit there first. I wait for it to clear. Okay, meaning they paid me. Okay, I got my Venmo and they paid me. All right, then I submit it to the other apps. All right, I think some of you guys you're just submitting the receipt and then you keep it moving and you go to the next one. If that next one is like, let's say Swagbucks, you know, and it goes through right away on there, because you know those tend to go straight through, then of course it's going to reject the receipt on Shopmium because it's already gone through over there. So you want to let Shopmium clear it first, and then you want to submit it to Swagbucks. All right, Shopmium and Alexa were not submitting the same receipt, so when I'm doing deals for both of those, they're on separate transactions, separate receipts. And again, those receipts have to be done first. So if I'm doing Alexa, it has to be done first, wait to clear. Shopmium, it has to be first, wait to clear. Somebody asks, what do I submit to second? It doesn't really matter to me how, there's no particular order as far as what's after Shopmium, as long as Shopmium is definitely first, wait to clear. But I mean, if I had to pick something, it would be one of the sister apps, Swagbucks, MyPoints, mbilklq. That's just because those offers tend to go really quick. And I would want to make sure that my receipt was in on those. Obviously, if it's Shopkick, I would try to be, pretty quick on that as well. I usually wait and do Ibotta last, just because, I mean, usually if it's on your list, it's on your list and you've got some time. But the other apps are just more likely to just pull the rug right from under you. Like that. So other than that, you guys, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab this week. If you want to see what your girl got, definitely keep on watching. So this first deal is gonna be on the C4. I'm gonna grab this deal again. I saw the Skittle one online, but I couldn't find it when I came last time. I was actually checking on the actual aisle, but definitely check the refrigerators by the registers. And I so want to try the Skittles ones. I believe that these are priced at, I want to say they're $2.46. We get back $1 on Ibotta, so they make that only $1.46. All right, next up is the Body Armor Zero Sugar ones. Now, my last video I said I was gonna check up here, and I didn't. I dead ass just left. So when I was here yesterday, I found some other flavors. Now make sure you scan them, because all the flavors are not working for the Zero Sugar offer on Shopmium. I know the orange, I'll pop up a picture because I took a picture yesterday, but there's only like 3 flavors that was actually working for me. The orange is one of them, and I think it's a lime cherry or something like that. Anyways, you're gonna grab one at $1.28. You're gonna be getting back $1 on Shopmium, and then there's also $1 on either Swagbucks, MyPoints, Inbox, or Tada. So it makes it a 72-cent moneymaker. All right, next up is gonna be the Best Foods. It's either Best Foods or Hellman. I'm gonna be grabbing the Best Foods. I'm looking for the Best Food Light, but I don't see it. It's probably like right dead ass in my face. I don't see it. It said they had it in stock, but I don't see it. Oh, here it is right here. No, I think this is the olive oil one. Let me see. Yeah, this is the olive oil one right here. Oh, no, it's right here. So it's priced at $5.98. So I'm going to grab one of these. I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also $2 on Alexa and $2 on Tada, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. And I know y'all probably tired of seeing this dang taco seasoning, but it's a really good, you know, deal. I've been making this taco soup and it's so bomb, and so it's like, this is something I would always buy. So, and I'd be buying like the generic brand over here for 54 cents. So if I can get this for like cheaper than the generic brand, let me just do it again and again, right? So they're priced at 82 cents. You're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll pay $1.64. You'll get back 20 cents on Ibotta and then 75 cents on Tada. I'm making them 69 cents for both of them, which is definitely not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal is on the Stir Mix. It's like the water enhancers. I've seen it here before, but I guess they don't carry it anymore in store. It's priced at $4.19, and then Ibotta's giving you back $3.28. It's not free, obviously. Ibotta need to get their prices together. But one of you guys did say that their free offers are based on the online price, not the in-store price. And the online price, it is $3.28. So for me it would be 91 cents, so definitely pass on that. And of course, you already know we're doing the Oikos 000 again, priced at $1.18, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making that only 68 cents. You already know we're doing the Pedialyte again. Of course I'm doing this deal again. And do I have my free offer in my email? No, I don't. But I'm going to grab it again because it's going to be free. So we're going to grab the Pedialyte again. It's priced at $4.98. I'm getting back $3 on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back $2 on Tada, making this a 2-cent moneymaker. So next up is the Febreze Small Spaces. It's on the pumpkin one here on clearance, priced at $2.25. You're gonna grab one, getting back $2.30 on Ibotta. Now this offer is also available for Walmart Cash as well. So I went ahead and did 2 on separate transactions, making them both a 5-cent moneymaker. Alright, so next up is the Suavitel. It's on the Shed Shield. It's priced at $5.47. You want to grab one, getting back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on Tada, 300 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.20, and $1.50 on ShopMe, making that only 77 cents.
Okay, so I didn't do these child size deals in my last video because they were out of stock. And so the first one was on the So the first one is on the Old Spice, and it's priced at $2.12. You want to grab 3 of them, you'll pay $6.36. Get back 5 on Ibotta, makes that 45 cents each. And the other one is on the Olay, same exact deal. You want to grab 3 of them, you'll pay $6.36. Getting back 5 on Ibotta makes those 45 cents each. The other item was on the Aussie, which they don't have. I don't see the Aussie. Oh, that's the Waves. I don't see a spot for the Aussie, but I'm pretty sure it's on my face somewhere. I think those are 97 cents. You want to grab 2 of them, you'll get back 2 on Ibotta.
So this next deal is on the Colgate Optic White. It's on the Pro Series. The single ones are on clearance for $6.75. If you can still find them, you're going to grab one of them, getting back $3 for Walmart Cash. It's also on Ibotta. I already did it on Ibotta though. And then $3 on ShopMe and $3 on Tada, and then 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2. It'll make that a $4.25 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. This next deal is still a really great deal. It's on the Colgate Cavity Protection for Kids. It's a 2-pack. It's priced at $2.94. For this, you want to grab 3 of them. You'll end up paying $8.82 out of pocket, getting back 5 on Ibotta. It's also on Walmart Cash as well. There's also 5 on ShopMe and Alexa, and then 5 on Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks, My Points are Tada, making this a $6.18 yesterday. And Nestor only had 2 kids, so I grabbed 2 kids in a Max Fresh, which is priced at $3.74. And for that, you end up paying $9.62. And then getting back 5 for Walmart Cash, 5 on Alexa, and 5 on Swagbucks, making it a $5.38 money. They lock up everything at this store. This deal is on the KY. I decided to grab this deal again. They are priced at $4.68. You're getting back $3 on Ibotta and $3 on Tada, making us a $1.32 moneymaker. Last deal is going to be on the Tums. They are priced at $4.88 for these here. You're going to grab one, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, $1.50 on ShopMe, and $1.50 on Tada, making that only 38 cents. So you could always grab this one up here. And I think that one would be 73 cents. Alright guys, so here is my little haul. Please do not laugh at my little tiny bitty haul. It's so funny. Josiah had walked by over here. He was like, "That's a small haul. It's usually bigger than that." I was just like, "Yeah, I know, huh?" It's okay though, y'all. I knew I wasn't gonna hit the bonus because I just knew I wasn't. All right. I'm super stoked about this C4, the Skittles one. I tried that mango one. I didn't like the mango one, but the other one, I can't think of the flavor of that one, was good. So I'm super stoked to try this one. Tomorrow's leg day, so I'm gonna try it tomorrow and see how it tastes. Other than that, you guys, but this was a pretty easy haul. I did do the Colgate and the Febreze small spaces for Walmart cash. Went through perfectly fine. With Walmart cash and Ibotta, I'm not doing them both for the same item. I'm doing separate transactions. The Walmart receipt, I'm just paying with Walmart Pay or using the card that I have linked to my Walmart account. Of course, making sure that you activate the offer prior as well. And I would just say, just check to make sure that it's still there before you check out. But that worked out pretty good. 3 transactions here. I didn't have to do 3. Why did I do 3? I did the one of the body armors on a transaction by itself, and then the last one was the Tums and the KY, and then everything else was on one transaction. And so I'll pop up my receipts. Now I did do the Olay and the Old Spice, but by the time I checked out, it was gone. Even though before I went, it said I had like 23 hours left. I'm not even gonna bother putting the ticket in because I think it does exclude the trial size, so I gotta take those back next time I go to Walmart. So you will see those on my receipt. And so yeah, so everything you see here retails $42, y'all. This is $42.48. This is like probably one of my smallest hauls ever. I walk away with $13.50 from Ibotta, $8 from Alexa, $7.30 from Walmart Cash, $6 for Swagbucks, $5.75 from Tada, and last but not least, $1.50 from ShopMium, which brings us to a total of $43.05 back in rebates, making everything you see here free plus 57 cents. So it's only a 57-cent money maker. That's okay. I'm cool with it, right? And then my sales tax was $2.37. So with our tax, this nets us at 12 cents per item, which I think is an awesome price. Other than that, if you got to the end of the video, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to smash the like button. Our emoji, Josiah, what's your emoji, bug?
And the $1 emoji is that spits out money.
Huh? The dollar emoji and the emoji that's spitting money out? Is there an emoji like that?
Yes, there is.
Are you sure?
There is.
Go look it up.
I know.
You know? For real?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna trust you. So money emojis in the comments if you guys to the end. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.